After recording a total of 474 COVID-19 cases, a figure representing 33.4% of the cumulative cases recorded in the region, health workers in the Bono East region can now breathe a huge sigh of relief as they take their turn of receiving the jab of the AstraZeneca vaccines. Regional Director of Health Services, Dr. Fred Adumakumbuatin, says the vaccine had come at the right time considering the increasing number of cases recorded amongst health workers.
If you look at the statistics, you can see clearly that health workers are at risk in terms of Bono East. And this is coming at the backdrop of all the preventive measures that we have put in place, i.e. the mask, hand washing, social distancing. So we believe that this aspect of the prevention, which is, let's say, the vaccines coming, is the best that we can talk about. For we at Bono East, we can't hide our joy. If a population, if we are making not up to 1% of the population, and then 33% of us are getting COVID, then you know that this is a great milestone for us to really celebrate. And that's why we are celebrating this day and launching officially. And it gives hope to the health workers who have been putting their lives on the line in a bit of saving you and me.
He adds that all health workers, including students in health training institutions, are part of the beneficiaries to receive the vaccine.
In fact, this current one that we have, all health institution trainees are having. Teachers in training institutions are having. Kintampo Health Research. So all health workers, privates are having. CHAG, Christian, is Ahmadiyya. Every health worker in Bono East has been prioritized to get this vaccine. So for us, we are working in there. So you can see the seriousness to which we put to this activity.
Bono East Regional Minister, Mr. Kwesi Adujan, who was the special guest at the launching of the regional exercise, indicated that the region is eager and prepared towards ending the spread of the COVID-19 disease.
This launch is an indication that the region is alert of what is happening in respect to COVID-19, and that we are eager to work towards reducing the rate of COVID-19 and to protect the citizenry from infected by COVID-19.
He however charged the populace to adhere strictly to the laid down protocols and ensure that they are safe and accept the vaccines when it gets to the region.
There are protocols that will help us to protect ourselves, to protect our family and our community from being infected by COVID-19. My appeal to the populace, to the citizens, is to make sure that it is being observed to the letter. We should endeavor to get vaccinated. You should bear in mind that there is COVID-19, and as such, you must put in place the necessary measures that will prevent you from being infected.
Mr. Kwesi Adujan asked that the authorities in the region are teaming up to educate the masses on the need to accept the vaccines, which is the surest way of protecting the people. Reporting for Joy News, Anas Sabit, Tichima.